We have been searching for jobs for several weeks now, and I feel a bit frustrated because we are putting in so much effort but still have not received any positive responses.
I understand how you feel because I have applied to many positions, but most companies either do not reply or require more experience than we currently have.
It is a difficult situation because we are qualified and motivated, but it seems like getting the first opportunity is always the hardest step.
I agree, and sometimes it feels discouraging, but I think we need to stay patient and continue improving our skills while applying.
We should also focus on improving our English, because many companies require strong communication skills in the workplace.
That is true, and I believe better English skills will give us more confidence during interviews.
I think we should also practice workplace vocabulary so that we are prepared when we start working.
Yes, because being able to communicate professionally is just as important as having technical knowledge.
Even though this phase is challenging, I believe that something good will come if we keep trying.
I agree because persistence is the key to success in situations like this.
We should continue supporting each other because that makes the process less stressful.
I feel more motivated when we talk like this because it reminds me that we're not alone.
Let us keep applying and improving ourselves every day.
I am sure an opportunity will come soon.
We just need to be ready when it arrives.
It is very nice to see all of you again, and I am curious to know how things are going after your graduation.
We are doing well, but we are currently looking for jobs, and it has been more challenging than we expected.
We have applied to many companies, but we have not received strong opportunities yet.
We are trying to stay positive, but we feel that we need some guidance.
We also want to improve our workplace communication skills, especially in English.
I understand your situation, and I believe I might have an opportunity that could be very suitable for all of you.
That sounds very interesting, and we would really appreciate any advice or recommendation you can give.
A large company is opening a new office in this city, and they are currently looking for motivated young professionals.
That sounds like a great opportunity because it matches exactly what we are looking for. Do you think we would be good candidates for those positions?
Based on your academic performance and dedication, I strongly believe that you have a good chance.
That gives us hope because we have been waiting for an opportunity like this.
We will definitely apply and prepare ourselves seriously.
I will recommend you, but you must also prepare well for the application process.
Thank you very much, because this could change everything for us.
Now that we have this opportunity, I think it is very important that we prepare our applications carefully, because a well-written CV and cover letter can make a strong first impression.
I completely agree, and I believe we should review each other's CVs in detail so that we can identify any weaknesses and improve them before submitting.
I have already started updating my CV and I am trying to highlight my academic projects and skills in a way that shows how they are relevant to the job.
That is a good approach because companies want to see not only what we studied, but also how we can apply that knowledge in real situations.
I think we should also practice interview questions together, because speaking confidently during the interview is just as important as having a strong CV.
Yes, and we should focus on answering questions clearly and professionally, especially when explaining our strengths and experiences.
I sometimes find it difficult to explain my ideas in English during interviews, so I think practicing together will help me improve.
We can simulate real interview situations where one of us acts as the interviewer and the others answer questions.
That sounds very helpful, because it will make us feel more comfortable when the real interview happens.
I will start by asking a common question, such as explaining why you are interested in this position and what you can contribute.
I would say that I am interested because the role matches my skills, and I am motivated to learn and grow within the company.
That is a good answer, but you could make it stronger by adding specific examples of your experience.
Practicing like this is already helping me feel more confident and prepared.
I believe that with this level of preparation, we will perform well during the interviews.
Let us continue practicing until we feel fully ready.
Thank you for coming today, and I would like to start by asking you to introduce yourself and explain why you are interested in working with our company.
Thank you for this opportunity, And I am very interested in this position because it aligns with my skills in digital marketing and my passion for creative communication.
I am motivated to join your company because I believe my analytical skills can contribute to financial decision-making and support business growth.
I am particularly interested in risk management, and I would like to apply my knowledge to help the company identify and manage potential risks effectively.
I enjoy working with people, and I believe my communication skills make me a strong candidate for a customer support role.
I appreciate your answers, and I can see that all of you are motivated and well prepared for your respective roles.
That is amazing news, and I just received my offer as well for the financial analyst position.
I also got an offer for the risk management role, and I feel extremely happy and relieved.
This is incredible because I received an offer for the customer support senior position, and it feels like all our efforts have finally paid off.
I feel proud of all of us because we worked hard and supported each other throughout this process.
This opportunity will allow us to grow professionally and gain valuable experience.
I am excited to start working and apply what we have learned in real situations.
It is even better that we will all work in the same company because we can continue supporting each other.
This is truly the beginning of a new and exciting chapter in our lives. After spending several weeks working here, I can clearly feel how much my confidence has improved, because I am now able to express my ideas during meetings without feeling nervous or unsure.
I feel the same way, and I have noticed that I can now explain financial reports and data more clearly, which helps my colleagues understand my analysis better.
I also see a big improvement in my communication skills because I can now discuss risk-related issues and propose solutions in a more structured and professional way.
Working in customer support has really helped me develop my speaking skills because I interact with clients every day and need to respond clearly and politely.
I have noticed your progress, and it is impressive how quickly you have adapted to the workplace and improved your communication skills.
Thank you for your feedback, because it motivates me to continue improving and contributing to the team.
I believe that working in a supportive environment makes a big difference, because it allows us to learn from each other and grow together.
I agree, and I think collaboration is one of the most important factors in achieving success in a professional environment.
I also feel that sharing ideas with colleagues helps us develop better solutions and improve our overall performance.
Your teamwork and positive attitude are valuable, and they contribute to a productive work environment.
I feel more comfortable taking initiative now, because I understand my role better and feel confident in my abilities.
I also feel more independent because I can handle tasks and responsibilities without constant guidance.
This experience is helping us grow not only professionally, but also personally.
I am really glad that we have this opportunity to learn and improve together.
I believe this is just the beginning of our professional growth. Sitting here after work and thinking about our journey, I feel incredibly proud of how far we have come, because we started with uncertainty and now we are growing in our careers.
I remember how difficult it was to find a job at the beginning, and it feels rewarding to see that our hard work has finally paid off.
This experience has taught me that persistence and continuous learning are essential for success, especially in a competitive environment.
I also feel that improving our English has played a major role in helping us adapt to the workplace and communicate effectively. Meeting new colleagues and building relationships has also helped us grow, both professionally and socially.
I believe that networking and communication are just as important as technical skills in a professional setting.
We should continue improving our skills and setting new goals, because growth does not stop here.
I agree, and I think we should challenge ourselves to take on more responsibilities and learn new things.
I would like to develop my leadership skills in the future and contribute more to strategic decisions.
I am interested in advancing my expertise in financial analysis and taking on more complex projects.
I want to deepen my understanding of risk management and help the company make better decisions.
I would like to improve my communication skills even further and provide better support to clients.
I am grateful that we went through this journey together because it made everything easier and more meaningful.
Supporting each other has been one of the key factors in our success.
I am excited about the future because I believe there are many more opportunities ahead for all of us.